CRC Worldviews and News, important news about Christians worldwide. Today is the 4th of June 2025. Hollywood Boulevard in America was blocked by a procession of worshippers. They were holding signs that Jesus is the King. The authorities' efforts to stop them were unsuccessful. Russ Justin said that we are bringing the truth to the people that Jesus is their Savior and He is coming soon. Mustafa said that in Qumran. The Islamic State attacked at night. Many people fled, but their families did not get a chance to flee. They were burned and 4 people died in the same house. There are no resources left, food, money, animals, etc. are all gone. Rajan Bhatti says that in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh, caste and others are considered inferior. They are being killed for preaching Christianity. They are being arrested and sent to jail. People come and stop during worship. Religious freedom is in great danger. Father Konstantin Moshikov is the leader of the Orthodox Church in Ukraine. He said that the government has severely restricted their economic resources. Church schools have been closed, restrictions have been imposed on worship, and now churches are being attacked. Duncan Williams says that research conducted in London has shown that Christians who do not follow any religion are being discriminated against. In many places, it has been seen that people are questioning the fact that church certification is necessary for many facilities, which should be abolished. Devastating floods in Nigeria have engulfed many areas. Bishop John said that more than 30,000 Christians have been affected. 70 churches have been affected so far. And now many animals have also been washed away in this flood, and there has been immense loss of resources. Nadine Meza says that the ancient Christians in Iraq, who have been practicing Christianity for more than 10 centuries, are in danger, all of them in mortal danger as Islamic State attackers are looking for them. Powerlifter turned weightlifter Sybil Sohail Doha became the first Pakistani woman to win a gold medal at the Asian Weightlifting Masters Championships in Qatar. In Indonesia, a Christian boy, K. Bai, who was a second-grade student, was seriously injured after being attacked by 5 Muslim students. He died. He was so scared that his wounds did not heal. In Uganda, an evangelist, Robert Kasuzi, was beaten and stabbed by extremist Muslims. He and his team were preaching the gospel in the open air when a mob attacked him. He survived, but was seriously injured. Stay with us for more news. If you want to watch more such videos and you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel. A reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News.